Asterisk, asterisk, Riley the rabbit's carrot bakery. Asterisk, asterisk, Riley the rabbit loved carrots so much that he decided to open a bakery. Every morning he woke up with the sun, brushed his teeth, and started baking crunchy carrot cookies, fluffy carrot cakes, and even carrot muffins. But one night, Riley stayed up late watching firefly shows. The next morning, his alarm clock rang and he groaned, 5 more minutes! Asterisk. When he finally woke up, he was late. His bakery was a mess, burnt cookies, lumpy batter, and grumpy customers. Riley's friend, Ollie the Owl, hooted, "A wise baker needs sleep and a schedule." Asterisk. So Riley made a plan. Asterisk, asterisk. Early to bed, asterisk, asterisk. No more firefly binges. Asterisk, asterisk. Early to rise, asterisk, asterisk. With time for stretches. Asterisk, asterisk. Healthy snacks, asterisk, asterisk. Carrots, not candy. The next day, Riley was punctual, well-rested, and ready. His bakery sparkled, and his treats were perfect. Customers cheered, and even the sleepy hedgehog got his muffin on time. Morale? Good habits make life sweeter, just like carrot cake. Asterisk, asterisk. The end dot, asterisk, asterisk.